22 and plus 7 will be as it is. Are you getting?
Yes, yes.
સમજ પડે છે? So આનું
હા.
શું આવ્યું? minus 15. 22 plus 7. Minus plus minus. 22
Minus.
minus 7 is 15. Which one is
30.
greater? 22 is greater, which is
Minus.
negative. So minus 15.
Yes.
Same way over here. The whole thing will be minus 2. Now, which one is greater in the house? The smaller number
50.
with the negative sign will
Yes,
be
yes.
greater number.
2, 2.
Understood?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Chalo. Then what was the next question?
Exercise 1.3, question 2B.
Question 2B. Please have a photograph.
Okay, sir.
LHS and RHS. Both will be equal. 210, 210.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Chalo. Now, who will tell me up till what? Amiri Fatima, who was that girl who were trying to explain me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta, come on. In our last lecture, what we have done?
Sir, we have done till question number 6 and
Exercise 1.3, question number 6, right?
yes.
Very good, bacha. Chalo. We are trying to go through with question number 7. Chalo, let us go with question number 7. 1.3, question number, this is not the 6. This we have done. Okay, question number 7. Now, who will read this question?
Sir, can I read?
Sir, can I Mohde sir
Sir, can
Acha?
I read? Sir,
First
can
girl,
I read?
Deraya Fizan. Chalo, Deraya Fizan will read question number 6.
Okay. In a class test containing 10 questions, 5
Okay,
marks are awarded for every correct answer,
very
and
good.
minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect
Incorrect
answer,
answer.
and 0 for questions not attempted.
Now wait up till here. હવે શું હતું કે ક્લાસ ટેસ્ટ હતી એમાં શું કહી છે કે 10 ક્વેશ્ચન્સ પૂછ્યા હતા કેટલા 10 questions. Okay. Each correct questions contained how many marks? 5 marks.
5. 5.
સમજ પડી? એટલે ટોટલ 10 questions માં 5 મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો તો ટોટલ ટેસ્ટ કેટલા?
Sir, your voice is not coming.
50 marks ની થઈ. બરાબર ને? Each correct answer contained 5. Is this the
Yes,
same problem facing by
yes, sir.
everyone?
Yes.
My
Now
voice
it
is
is
not proper, beta.
proper.
Is
Yes,
it proper now, beta?
When you are explaining, not your voice.
Okay. See, full name. Full name, GR number, and date of birth. આવી જશે. નહીં આવી જશે. Single line. Okay, girls, I'm so sorry. Coming back to our question. Our question is that 10 questions has been asked, 5 marks each. Okay? When you will get 5 marks when it is correct answer. समझ पड़ी गई क्या नहीं? When you appeared wrong answer, it will be contained as negative marks. How much will be cut?
-2.
Minus 2 marks. Understood? समझ पड़े छे?
Yes, sir.
And the answers where it is not attempt anywhere will be marked as automatic 0. This is what the paragraph says. Now, these are the clues what they have given. Now, the problem statement will be there. We have to solve that. Okay, where is that girl? Please read.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Please read someone.
Yes, sir. Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answers. What is his score? Reshma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. What is her score? Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers out of 7 questions. She attempts. What is her score?
Who will tell me about Mohan? Can anyone?
Sir, can I?
Yes.
Mohan get 4 correct answer and 6 incorrect answer. Means 4 correct means plus 4 and 6 incorrect means minus 6. We have to
Four
multiply.
correct answers. So it will be multiplied by 5 marks. So you will get 20 marks as positive.
Yes.
6 incorrect. That means 6 will be multiplied with
20.
how 20? You will get minus 12 marks. સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
હા sir.
Yes.
This 20 marks was for her correct answer. This is the fluke explanation. Huh, beta? This is not the method and step where we have to go. આ બધું correct છે. Steps અલગ રીતે લખવાના છે. Okay?
હા sir.
સમજાય છે?
હા sir.
Was for her incorrect answer. Any doubt here?
Yes. No, no.
Now, plus 20 marks. If it is not written, plus 20 ન લખ્યું હોય તો પણ ચાલે. Are you getting? Her total score will be what? Total score will be, we have to add both. બંનેને add કરવા પડશે કેમ કે બંને appear કરેલું છે. Are you getting? This 5 and this 4 and 6, all 10 sums she appeared. Are you getting? So we have to add these two. So what we have to do? 20, open the bracket. 20 will be written as it is like this because whether it is positive or negative. લખો ના લખો બધું એક જ છે. Now plus minus minus 12. Her final score is what? 8 marks. समझ पड़ी के ना पड़ी? After appearing all the correct and incorrect answer, her final score is what? 8 marks. સમજાયું શું કર્યું સરે?
Yes sir.
Four question ye correct attempt કર્યા છે. 4 will be multiplied with 5 marks because it contains one correct answer contains of 5 marks, and then she attend 6 incorrect answer. અહીંયા લખેલું સર ઘરેથી કાંઈ લાવ્યા નથી. And each incorrect answer contained minus 2 marks. So 6 into minus 2, 6 2s are 12, minus plus will be minus 12. Any doubt here?
No sir.
So let us check the answer. Number 1. How to write this? Marks given for one correct answer is 5. Marks given for 4 correct answer will be 4 into 5, which will be 20. પેલો પાર્ટ આપણો આવી ગયો. Marks given for one wrong answer is minus 2. Marks given for 6 wrong answers will be minus 12. We got our both the content together. Now final score appeared by Mohan was 20 minus 12, which is 8. Is that clear, girls?
Yes sir.
પાક્કું બચ્ચા પાટી?
હા sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. ચલો question number 2. કાંઈ ગઈ ઓલી દીકરી?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I read in? Sir, can I read?
No, Ilma, one girl is reading the question. She is already in between.
Yes, sir. Dere Afizan.
Yes.
Reshma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. What is her score?
She
Hina
scored.
gets
Okay, wait. હવે રેસમાં સોલ્વ કરશું ને બેટા, પેલા પછી હિના માટે આવશું.
હા સર.
5 correct answer and 5 incorrect answer. Understood?
હા.
ઓકે, ચલો આપણે ઈ સોલ્વ કરી નાખીએ. So 5 correct answer will be multiplied with 5,
હા.
which gives
Multiplied
us
with 5.
25 marks. Any doubt? And 5 incorrect answer with will be multiplied with -2, which gives us in bracket -10 marks. Any doubt here, girls?
No.
No, sir.
Sure? हाँ बच्चा,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
sure na beta? Okay, so now again coming back to the total score. So total score will be 25 plus in bracket -10. So 25 plus -10. Our total score is 15 marks. Any doubt here for this sum?
No, sir.
No,
Check.
sir.
Marks given for one correct is again 5, incorrect is again -2. Marks for correct 5 answer was 5 5s are 25, and wrong answer was -10. Score obtained by Resma is 15. 25 minus 10. Chalo, where is that Fizan?
yes, sir.
Sum number 3 beta.
Okay. Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers. Out of 7 questions she attempts, what is her score?
0. 7 જ attempt કર્યા જ ને, so 7 ને જ આપણે કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરવાના છે. જો આ હિનાએ 10 attempt કર્યા છે, right? Mohan was also completed with 10. But this last girl has attempted only 7 questions. Out of 7, 2 correct. So 2 into 5 it will be 10,
10.
right? And next, second, she attempted 5 incorrect. So 5 into -2, which will be -10 marks. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now coming back to the total. 10 plus 10 plus
-10.
in bracket -10 marks. You will get 10 plus -10. It will be
0.
0.
Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, marks given for 2 correct answer is 5 to the 10. Marks given for 5 wrong answer is -2 into 5, which will be -10. Score obtained by Hina will be 10 minus 10, 0. Any doubt with this question?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Chalo, question number next. What was the next number? 8. 8. Yes. This is question number 8. 7 આપણો થઈ ગયો. આ મેં કટ કરેલું છે પ્રિન્ટમાંથી. This is your sum number 8. Now who will read this question?
Sir, can I mark this, sir, Rajani?
Yes, Rajani.
Yes, sir. A cement company earns a profit of 8 rupees per bag of white cement sold and a loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement sold. Number A. The company sells 3,000 bags of white cement and 5,000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is its profit or loss? Number B. What is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit or loss if the number of grey bags sold in 6,400 bags?
Okay, what they are telling us કે સિમેન્ટ કંપની છે બરાબર, એ પ્રોફિટ લઈ છે કેમાં 8 રૂપીસ પર બેગમાં. કઈ સિમેન્ટમાં? વ્હાઇટ સિમેન્ટમાં. there are two types of cement, white cement and gray cement, બરાબર છે. તો એ સિમેન્ટની જે કંપની છે એ પર બેગ વ્હાઇટ સિમેન્ટે કેટલું પ્રોફિટ કરે છે? 8 રૂપીસ. ઇઝ ઇટ ક્લિયર? એન્ડ similarly they are making loss, they are not making profit but making loss for rupees 5. They are according loss for rupees 5 per bag in gray cement. સમજાય છે? white bag જ્યારે વેચે ત્યારે 8 રૂપીસ મળે છે અને પ્લસ થાય છે, પ્લસ 8 રૂપીસ. એન્ડ ગ્રે સિમેન્ટ જ્યારે વેચે છે એની બેગ ત્યારે -5 રૂપીસનો પર બેગ એ લોસ થાય છે. સો ઇટ વિલ બી -5. સમજાય છે girls?
Sir.
Are you getting the content? What the main base is? Then question number A. The company sells 3,000 white bag. 3,000 white bag વેચે છે તો કંપનીને પ્રોફિટ કેટલો થાય છે? 3,000 into 8. 3 8s are 24. તો પ્રોફિટ થાય છે 24,000 rupees. બરાબર છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This is
sir.
what written in this, and company selling 5,000 bags. So 5,000 bags gray cement ની વેચે છે. 5,000 into
Grey cement.
-5 because 5 rupees શું કરે છે? લોસ કરે છે. So total કેટલો મળશે લોસ એને? 25,000 rupees. સમજાય છે કે નહીં? હવે
Yes, sir.
24,000 પ્રોફિટ કરે છે, એની સામે 25,000 કંપની લોસ કરે છે. સો વોટ ઇઝ ધ પ્રોફિટ ઓર લોસ ફોર ધેટ મંથ? આ એક મહિનાની વાત છે. સો -1,000 ઇઝ ધ લોસ ફોર ધીસ કંપની. કેવી રીતે -1,000? 24,000 which is positive minus આપણા બેને એડ કરો, બે વેચાણ છે ને પેલા, -25,000. બરાબર? Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
So 24,000 plus minus -25,000. Now plus minus minus 25 minus 4,000 is 1,000. And which one is greater, 24,000 or 25,000?
25.
25. So it is negative. So 1,000 will be loss. Any doubt here for this?
No, sir.
સમજાણું ને girls? Some?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ચલો આપણે જોઈ લઈએ. Some. Wait, huh? Chalo, look here. Profit earned while selling one bag is 8 rupees. Profit earned while selling 3,000 bags will be 24,000. Loss incurred while selling one bag of grey cement will be -5 rupees. Loss incurred by 5,000 bags is -5 into 5,000, -25,000 rupees. Any doubt up till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Total profit loss earned. તો એ બંનેનો પ્લસ કરશો, પ્રોફિટ પ્લસ લોસ, તો જ ખબર પડશે. સો પ્રોફિટ કર્યું હતું 24,000 પ્લસ કર્યું હતું લોસ. loss was minus 25,000. So we did this, it will be minus 1,000 as our answer. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Therefore, a loss of rupees 1,000 will be incurred by the company. Got it? समझ पड़ी के ना पड़ी?
हाँ सर समझ पड़ी
समझाई गई.
पड़ी गई ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Come on, who was reading this question? Rajani.
Yes, sir.
Please, question number B.
Question number B. What is the number of white cement bag it must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of grey bags sold 6,400 bags?
Okay. હવે શું કરવાનું છે? Very interesting question. What is the number of white cement bag? હવે એવી કેટલી white cement bags વેચવી પડશે કે જ્યારે આપણે ના પ્રોફિટ થાય ને લોસ થાય કંપનીને? કેમ કે કંપની ઓલરેડી ગ્રે બેગ્સ કેટલી વેચી દીધી છે? 64. તો 6400 બેગ્સ તો એ ઓલરેડી વેચી દીધી છે. તો 6400 બેગ્સ મલ્ટીપ્લાય બાય પર બેગે કેટલું નુકસાન છે એમાં? 5 રૂપીસ.
Yes.
So it is already 5 rupees in loss for 6,400 bags. So it is already 32,000 loss. We have already for the company. હવે આ 32,000 પ્લસ માં કઈ રીતે થઈ શકે? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
સમજાય છે કે નથી સમજાતું? એવી કેટલી વ્હાઇટ સિમેન્ટની બેગ્સ વેચવી પડશે જેમાં આપણે 32,000 રૂપીસ કવર કરી શકીએ? એટલી વેચવી પડે. આપણે નથી પ્રોફિટ કમાવું, નથી લોસમાં રાખવી કંપનીને. વી હેવ ટુ જસ્ટ ગેટ ધીસ પ્લસ 32,000 રૂપીસ to go through and sell this white number of bags. સમજાય છે?
Yes.
हाँ sir. Right, sir.
That is what the question is. Now, can I say that let's suppose white bags to be sold, the X number of bags. Any doubt here? આમાં ડાઉટ છે કોઈને?
No, sir.
નહીં ને? કે છે?
નથી.
Nothing. Okay. So per white bag profit is 8 rupees. So 8 has to be multiplied with X number of bags. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
અને આપણે જે ટોટલ લાવવાનો છે એ શું છે? એ પ્લસ 32,000 ન જ છે, બીકોઝ નો પ્રોફિટ નો લોસમાં જવું હોય તો માઇનસ 32,000 તો આપણે ઓલરેડી નેગેટિવ મળેલું, તો પ્લસ 32,000 એવી કેટલી બેગ્સ વેચવી પડશે? સો પ્લસ 32,000 તો લેવું જ પડે. આર યુ ગેટિંગ? સો 8 into x is 8x is equal to 32,000. X ની વેલ્યુ, number of bags is what? X. X is equal to 32,000 divided by 8. Any doubt up till here? 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32, 3 zeros as it is. So X is the number of white bags. બરાબર? તો કેટલી બેગ્સ વેચવી પડશે એ લોકોને?
4,000.
પ્લસ 32,000 નો પ્રોફિટ નો લોસ કરવા. કેટલી નંબર ઓફ બેગ્સ વેચવી પડશે ગર્લ્સ?
1,000 bag વેચવી પડશે.
4,000 bags. Very good girl. Chalo. Check the answer. Loss incurred while selling one bag of grey cement is rupees 5, which is negative. Loss incurred while 6,400 bags of grey cement is minus 5 into 64 minus 32,000. Let the number of bags of white cement be sold X. બધા steps સરના છે. Profit earned while selling one bag is 8 rupees. So X into 8 is 8X. બરાબર છે? જો 8X આવ્યું ઠીક છે. Now, in the condition of no profit, no loss, 8X plus minus 32,000 is equal to 0. So 8X is equal to 32,000, X is equal to 4,000 આવી ગયું. Therefore, 4,000 bags of white cement must be sold. Any doubt, girls?
No, sir.
For sure?
Yes, sir.
I'm talking to the whole class and only one child is replying me.
No, sir.
No doubt.
No doubt.
Okay, so your homework is to complete up till question number 8 in your fair book and one time all the sums in your rough book. Okay, whatever we did in the class. All right, girls?
Okay, sir.